Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorial audio program. Now headline: The RTI is now the right to daily information. The Hindu. Now headline in detail: The RTI is now the right to daily information. The Hindu citizens and the media must take up the responsibility to ensure that the original RTI Act is followed and not allow any distortions. Shailesh Gandhi is a former Central Information Commissioner. The introduction of the Right to Information (RTI) Act was a move that generated great hope among citizens since it recognized them to be the rulers of the nations. It empowered them to seek information from the government with dignity and respect. It looked as if the Swaraj that they had missed would be delivered to them. The act codified their fundamental right to information and was one of the best transparency law in the world. It appeared that it would curb corruption and arbitrariness, with the citizens being the vigilance monitor of their government. But it must be conceded it has fallen for short of our expectation, and the state of our democracy is not better. The gradual erosions. The RTI Act had created information commissions as final appellate authorities to implement the law. Most of the posts of information commissioner were taken up by retired bureaucrats. After working for decades as senior bureaucrats, it was difficult for them to hand over power to citizens and recognize that they were true rightful owners of the government. No attempt was made to select people with a record to transparency. Many of them looked at this job as post-retirement sinecures and worked only for a few hours, while the national average of the disposal of cases by high court judges is over to 2500 in a year. The national average of disposal of cases by the commissioners was less than this, given the fact that the complexity of cases before commissions is far less than the cases before the high courts. Each commissioner should be have been clearing at least over 5,000 cases in a year, while the law mandated a period of 30 days of the information to be provided, and the same period for the first appellate authorities. It did not specify any time limit for the commissioners. Many commissions began to have a pendency of over a year. The right to information was being converted into a right to history. Many ordinary citizens would not pursue the issue of what was now the denial of information. The panel provision of RTI commissioners were reluctant to use them. The government delayed appointed commissioners, which only increased the backlogs. The A calls citizens to ensure that the RTI fulfills to its original promise. We should go by the original act and not allow any distortions. Citizens and the media must take up the responsibility to discuss and defend it. Otherwise, we will have a dilution of our fundamental right under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution of India. Thank you.